Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's lesson? Yes? But before we start the lesson, would you all like to hear to an interesting rhyme? Yes? Okay. Here, shall we start? Out in a garden one fine day, with my ball I went to play. I bounced it right, I bounced it left, I bounced it well on a one fine day. Out in a garden one fine day, with my kite I went to play. I flew it right, I flew it left, I flew it well on a one fine day. Okay, children, can you guess what we are going to do today? Yes? We are going to see some outdoor games. Okay? The topic of today is outdoor games from your GK book. Okay? Now, what do we mean by outdoor games? Any game which is played outside or otherwise requires a large play area is called outdoor game. Okay? Which we play outside our house and which requires a big place to play. That is called a outdoor game. Okay? Now you are very familiar with few outdoor games. Let us see. Now here, like this. Playing on a swing, seesaw, slide or in the sandpit is called playing outdoor games. And also cycling, playing on the monkey bars, skipping, flying a kite, playing with the ball, playing badminton is also a outdoor game. And we also have the skipping rope. You can see that girl playing the skipping rope. And the sack race. Can you see children playing the sack race there? And hide and seek, your favorite game, isn't it? All these games you already know. They are called outdoor games. Now let us see some more few outdoor games. Now like Kabaddi. Kabaddi is also a outdoor game. It is played between two teams. Volleyball. Volleyball is also one of the outdoor game. Here also we require two teams to play and a ball and a net. Kho-kho is also a outdoor game. Hockey. This is also a outdoor game played between two teams. You require a hockey stick and ball. Yes. And football. This is also played outside the house. It is one of the outdoor games and you require two teams to play, a ball and a net to make goals. And cricket. It is favorite among you children, isn't it? Okay, you must be watching IPL nowadays. Yes? Okay. And you must be knowing Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli. Isn't it? Dhoni also. Okay, that is cricket. Now, let us recap what we have learnt. Which is our national sport? You remember children? Hockey is our national sport. Like we have national bird, national animal, national anthem, we also have national sport. And hockey is our national sport. What are outdoor games? Now you already know this. Games which are played outside the house are called outdoor games. Now these are the questions from your book children. Name any 4 outdoor games. You can name any 4. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, cricket, volleyball, yes, are outdoor games. Now, what outdoor game do you like to play? That you have to answer. Okay? Any one or more than one you like to play, you have to tell that. Okay? Now, these are the questions from your textbook. Now, children, why it is very important to play outdoor games? Yes, it is important for your muscle development, your motor skills, your physical development. Yes, you get strong, fit and fine. And your social skills. You can learn to talk to people. Yes, how you should play the game in a true spirit form. Your social skills develop because of your outdoor games. Love for nature, because you're playing outside your house, you're playing in the nature, so you like the nature also. And it shapes your personality. Yes, that is why it is very important that you play outdoor games. So always, children, have a passion for playing one outdoor game at least and one indoor game. Okay? Now, some activity for you. Children, we just now saw all the different types of outdoor games. Now, for the activity, what we are going to do is, we are going to play indoor cricket. And for that, what we need? A piece of paper, scale, little clay, ice cream stick and toothpicks. This is how we are going to arrange the field. These are the fielders here, and here the ball, we are going to throw the ball from here like this, and this we are going to use it as a bat. Okay, and what you have to do is try to always hit a 4. The ball has to go out of this board line, and if the ball goes inside this, it means you are out. If the ball hits this, you are out. Okay, so shall we play the game? Ask your mama to do the bowling and you are going to do batting. Okay, 4. Out. Out again. Yay. Out again. This is a hat trick. A new batsman in. And it's 4. I hope, children, you all like this activity. Okay, bye. Thank you and take care.